about myself when I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class.